What's up, guys? Christmas came early this year. It's the end of November. We ordered these wrap kits from TNT Kits. These guys. A couple of weeks ago, and finally showed up. I can't wait to start putting this on. This is gonna look sick. Next morning, machine's nice and clean. We got Rapmeisters in the house doing his thing. Now this is like a puzzle. We gotta figure out what goes where.
Конечно, посмотри какая. Тут лайнап, тут не лайнап, блин.
We got landscape Toron in the house.
What's going on? Bringing this bitch over here. How's it look? Look good?
Looks good, bro. You gotta go take a look.
Yeah.
Where's the sled?
Go pick it up.
Oh, I thought you went already.
Where am I gonna put it, bro? It's all coordinated. I gotta come here, unload this thing, and then go over there, pick up that thing.
Back of the truck, I thought, or something. Oh,
No, bro. I need my tools for the job.
It's cold.
Oh, it's all coordinated, bro.
How are you?
This one's a little bit dirty.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a problem.
A lot dirty. Not a little bit.
A lot, not a lot. Could have been worse.
This guy brings a machine in for a wrap. Look what it looks like.
Oh.
Fucking guy.
What do you want from this last minute thing? I'll go wash it right now, but then how long is it gonna take to dry? Should I wash it?
No, no.
'Cause I'll rinse it if you want.
Where are you gonna rinse it from?
Here, whatever. What do you want?
And I'm back. Machines are ready. So I went and picked up some of the parts from powder coating. It's not everything, but it's a start. I'm going to unwrap them and put them on this machine. Another day in paradise. We got more parts off the other machine. Removed the rod relocate brackets off of both of them. And these pieces right there as well. And I think I'm gonna paint these as well. So we'll make one, I don't know, either we'll make both of them yellow or we'll make one purple, the other one yellow to match the theme on the machines. And these as well, off of the handguards. So Zach's machine only had one. So I guess we'll paint one and my machine have both. So yeah, let's go to the powder coater. Got a rod relocate brackets over here, some of the wheels, the rings. Let's get to it. First one is done. Yeah, this machine's done too. will.i.am decided to show up at the end of the day.
Let's see what's going on over there. Once all the work is done. I come when all the work is done. We need some more yellow on this thing.
On what?
There should be more yellow. You need more yellow.
More yellow?
Yeah,
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, more yellow. It's lacking yellow, bro.
Yeah, I know.
You need more yellow.
Not enough yellow on it.
Let's discuss the plate though.
I said the plates should be ready. Well, a test plate should be ready this week. So let's see. Yeah, this can be another piece.